Hi, this is Arthur and today we have a Tata printer from the CNC company for review. Let's go! So, in the kit we have instructions for use. I advise you to read it before using it, as it contains important information about printing. Transfer paper. Also included is a Type-C cable and a power supply. Let's talk about the printer. The printer has a very large battery of 2500 mAh. Also, this printer is compatible with Android, iOS, and Windows. This printer has audible power on signals. So, first I will test the transfer paper that was sent to me in the kit. I chose this project in settings default and normal. It turned out bright. I'll try to print it a little darker. I select the settings default and strong. Wow, look at the quality of the print. All the fine lines are clearly visible. I really like the result. CNC company says they have two types of printing. You can print fine line and also realistic projects. Let's try to do it. I select the settings realistic and normal. We can already see how detailed the print is, but let's try to make it even darker. This is a very good print. I am shocked by such quality. All details are visible. I have done a lot of reviews on Tata printers and I can confidently say that this printer is one of the best. While I'm printing, I want to remind you that the link to this printer will be in the description. How do you like the printing result? I think it's great. I'm trying to print paper from Spirit. Spirit is a very dark paper. This printer also handled Spirit paper. I will also try paper from another company. This printer will print well no matter what paper you use. Such a clear transfer will make life easier for masters who work in realism. In my opinion, CNC has made one of the best tattoo printers for printing realistic and fine line projects. At the moment, this printer is my first place on the market. For you, I will leave a link to this printer in the description. Thank you so much for watching.